So like we have discussed regarding pairs with respect to 2 variable k-map, 3 variable k-map and 4 variable k-map, right? So let us discuss regarding quads now. Quads means 4 ones, okay? So 4 ones with respect to 2 variable k-map, 3 variable k-map and 4 variable k-map. Let's see all the perspectives, like all the possible types of quads that is possible with respect to 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. So we'll have a brief idea about how the grouping has to be done, okay? Suppose y is equal to summation of m 0, 1, 2, 3, okay? Look at the numbers lies less than 4. Obviously you can understand that this is a 2 variable k-map, okay? So 2 variable k-map looks like this: a bar followed by a, b bar followed by b. If there is only 4 positions, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? If you want to make a quad, then it is necessary that all the positions should be filled with 1, because 4 ones. To make a quad you need 4 ones. So we have only 4 positions with respect to the 2 variable k-map. Then you need to fill, if you want to make a quad with respect to 2 variable k-map, then the k-map should look like this, means all of them should be ones. So then you can make a quad like this. Quad is nothing but 4 ones. If you make 4 ones a group, so a bar a cancels, b bar b cancels, the final remaining thing is y is equal to 1. So this is the only possibility with respect to 2 variable k-map where a quad is possible. So pair you can make it in a different patterns, okay? But quad, so though in order to make a quad you need 4 ones, right? So you need to fill the whole k-map with ones. So there is only one possibility, there is only one pattern of quad possible with respect to 2 variable k-map. Okay, coming with 3 variable k-map. Look at here, look at the min terms 0, 1, 2, 3 with respect to 2 variable, and look at this 0, 1, 2, 3, both are one and the same. But look at this question, they have specified f of a, b, c. When they specify the variables, 3 variables, it is understood that this is 3 variable k-map. So fill the 3 variable k-maps with these min terms. So 3 variable k-maps looks like this, right? So this is 0, I'm just telling the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I filled with 1, 1, 1, 1. So we can just make a quad like this. Quad like this. What is the expression for this one then? So look at this: b bar b get cancels, a bar remains, c bar c will be common, okay? So normally you need to remember one thing. So whenever you make a group pair, you get a 3 variable expression, means 3 variable expression. If you make a quad, you get a 2 variable expression, okay? Don't get confused. So right, so look at here, you have made a group here like this, okay, because remaining all of them are zeros. This b bar and b get cancels, a bar is common, remains as it is, c bar and c get cancels. What will be the answer? Y is equal to a bar will be the answer for this k-map. Coming here, look at this. This is one possible. I am not writing the questions, I am just filling the k-maps randomly. So these are the possibilities. So they might give the numbers, it might be of any pattern, okay, after filling. So I'm just telling what are the different patterns of quads possible. I'm just written different varieties of quads possible like this. So this is one quad, 4 ones vertically. So if this is the case, everything will get disconnected, or vertical, everything will get cancelled. See, a bar a get cancels, this a bar this a cancels, this b bar b cancels, this b and b bar get cancels. What is remaining? C bar. So the answer is y is equal to c bar for this k-map. Coming here, so look at this. So when you look at this k-map, you will come to know that only a pair is possible. You may go with this pair and this pair, but if you roll this like this, if you roll the k-map like this, okay, so then the possibility is there is a quad like this. There is a quad if you roll like this, okay, there is a quad possible. So you need to if you want to write the expression for this one, look at this: a bar b bar and a b bar. So a bar and A cancels, B bar remains common, C bar C cancels. So the expression for this is y is equal to B bar. Coming here, so this is vertically a quad, so everything get cancels here, so the remaining is C, y is equal to C. So coming here, this is possible a quad, okay. This A bar A cancels, B remains, C bar C cancels. The answer is y is equal to B. Okay, coming there, look at here. So this is possible quad, so you need to concentrate on only these two. B bar B cancels, A remains as it is, C bar C cancels. This is answer is y is equal to A. For this one, look at here, I am going to make a quad. Okay, so we are left with two ones here. If you make a there is a possibility of making a pair here now. If you make a pair, okay, I am just telling you. So let me write the expression for this quad now. B bar B cancels, A bar is remaining, C bar C cancels. Y is equal to A bar is the answer. Okay, in case if I make a pair like this, let me explain in pencil now. In case if I make a pair, this one. So what is the expression you are going to get? In case if you make a pair, AB is the expression. C bar C cancels, it will be AB. So I am not going to make this as a pair. Okay, what I will do is, I will just overlap like this. So what is now? Now it is two quads. One quad and two quad. Overlapping, we call this as a overlapping. If you make a overlap, then the expression will be A bar plus, for this quad, PB remains same, A bar A cancels. The answer is P. So look at this and this. This is one quad and one pair. This is two quads. Which is better? Which expression is bigger? This expression is bigger, but you need the expression which is smaller. So you prefer this one. So that is why you are supposed to make a overlapping. If there is a possible, first you need to look for the quads. So then you need to look for the quads possible after overlapping. After doing overlapping, is there any possibility of making a quad? So after overlapping, after that you need to look after. So is there any possibility of quad by rolling like this? If you by rolling in all the directions, is there any possibility of a quad? So you need to think in all these directions. So after thinking in all these directions, if there is no possibility of a quad, then you are supposed to think about a pair. Okay, always give the priority for the quad. So if there is no possibility of the quad, then you should think about the pair. So these are the following types of quads possible with respect to 3 variable K-map. So this is the only possibility of the quad with respect to 2 variable K-map. I hope you understood with respect to 3 variable. So now let me go with the 4 variables. Okay. So let's see how to make a grouping, the quad with respect to 4 variable K-map. Suppose in case if your K-map looks like this. So I return this K-map based on my just an assumption. Okay, these ones represents the like min terms. If the expression is given like this, by looking at this you are supposed to fill like this. Okay, so but I have not taken the question, I'm just randomly filled